Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today I'm going to show you exactly how to multiply numbers in Notion, using the multiply operator. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know two clear ways to calculate the product of values within your Notion databases, and you'll be set up to use multiplication in tracking budgets, managing inventory, or really any data you want to work with. Let's dive right in. Let's say you've already got your Notion database set up, like a simple table for tracking products, scores, or sales. In our example, the database includes two number properties, Item 1 and Item 2. These properties represent the values you want to multiply together. For instance, maybe Item 1 is a price and Item 2 is a quantity, or maybe they're scores from different categories. Setting it up this way ensures that each row in your database has the two numbers you want to combine. Now, let's get into the actual multiplication part. First, you'll want to add a formula property to your database. In Notion, formulas are incredibly powerful. They give you a way to calculate and display results based on other properties. So don't be intimidated. Adding a new formula is super straightforward. Click the plus sign to add a new property, choose Formula, and you'll see a field where you can type your calculation. For your first method, in the Formula field, simply type Item 1 * Item 2. Here, the asterisk symbol is used to multiply the two properties directly. This operation will automatically calculate the product for each row in your database, based on the values entered for Item 1 and Item 2. It's immediate and requires no extra steps. Think of it like multiplying two numbers together on a regular calculator. This is the most direct way to get your multiplication done, and it's ideal for simple, straightforward calculations. But maybe you've read about another way to multiply numbers in Notion, using the multiply function instead of just the operator. Let's try that out together. Add a second formula property just like before. This time in the formula field, type multiply Item 1, Item 2. Now the multiply function is exactly what it sounds like. Notion gives you this dedicated function to handle multiplication, and it works just as well as using the asterisk. Some users like using functions because it's easier to read, especially when your formulas get bigger or more complex. For example, if you start nesting other functions, like sum, round, or even conditional logic, having everything in function format keeps things organized and clear. Both methods will give you the same result, but knowing both means you'll always have flexibility, no matter how complicated your formulas get in the future. If you ever get an error or see something unexpected, double-check your property names and make sure they match exactly. Notion is picky about capitalization and spacing. And that's it, you've now multiplied numbers in Notion using both the operator and the multiply function. You can use this approach for budgeting, sales records, grading, or anywhere you need quick calculations right inside your workspace. If you got a little stuck or just want to see this in action on your own screen, rewind and pause as needed, or drop your questions below. I'm happy to help you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions or tips you've discovered, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.